one. Right off the start, Mr. Roboto grabbing some cubes in their collection. Meanwhile, Code Crushers trying to get some green cubes into theirs as well. Mr. Roboto immediately scoring some green cubes into that post. Mr. Roboto getting more cubes while knocking off these red cubes off their posts. As we get down to 35 seconds of the match, right to the round finish. And it looks like Code Crushers are trying to line up to get some cubes into that first goal. Meanwhile, Mr. Roboto trying to come in second with 25 seconds left. As we get into the last 15 seconds of the match, Code Crushers looking to go for a partial mark. Mr. Roboto trying to get more cubes up. With 8 seconds left in the match, Mr. Roboto looking like they're going for a park. Can they get it in time? And they managed to get it. All right, qualification match number